Hey friends, great day. Today I came with one new great topic. What it is? The most essential information about the wealth where nobody will thought in the coming days, or nobody will have an information about the things what the every individual need to be evaluate. So please go and have an information about the wealth prospects and the principles where we can able to manage and mingle and evaluate the things where we can able to grab the information and involve our thought process so that we can able to evaluate ourselves to the next level what we thought. So why late? Please, we can go and have a discussion about the most effective principles of wealth. What is the most effective principles? Essentials of wealth, what no one is talking about. Why I'm calling it is as most essential of wealth? Because everybody knows, every individual knows, I want this much of amount, I need to attain this much of amount, but nobody have that particular knowledge, nobody have that particular discipline, nobody doesn't have any such credibility towards attainment what we need to thinking on a daily basis. So here I'm giving the most four essential principles what we need to adopt, the most criterias what we need to involve, the things where we need to work on. So please concentrate what I'm telling to you, what I am giving the information to you, which is in deep level knowledge. If you really involve in these areas, definitely every individual person can evaluate your financial status and have an particular prospects of knowledge and working of that particular knowledge, and definitely you can scale up to your desired wealth to the next level. So that is get deeply motivated. This is the first foremost principle of generating of wealth in a true spirit. Why I'm calling it is as get deeply motivated means we as a person we need to have such knowledge where we can able to adopt the situations in a daily basis. What it is, main thing is the motivation levels of gathering of information and involving of that particular information of wealth is also the major criteria. But why we need to deeply motivate, we need to have such particular knowledge about a wealth, particular knowledge about our finances, particular knowledge about our credentials of wealth prospects of our family status and the societies where we need to concentrate about evaluation of our financial status to the next level. So why we need to have all these informations means whenever we know the information we can adopt that particular scenarios in such a way where we can able to involve ourselves to mingle that particular situations and working on that particular situations, and we'll go ahead. So that is the major principle what I mean to say it is. So motivation levels of our individuals is also a major criteria. So in spite of all these things, what it is mean by wealth creation in terms of motivation, how we need to adopt that motivation for getting of any wealth. Why it is so? Money, everybody is willing to have that particular word money has to be involved in such a way where we can able to grab from childhood onwards. So money has to be get for every person, the money has to be involved for every aspects of our life, for any purchases, for any exchange of anything. So why the money is more important. So money buys everything, but money does not buy happiness. Is it right or not? You agree? Because if you have a bank balance of 1 lakh rupee, if you have a bank balance of 10 lakhs rupees in your account, you will feel happy, maybe. But if any problems happen, if any personal problems happen in your home, or if any curiosity sakes, I'm telling to you, if any litigations between your brothers and in your family, if you have 1 crore rupee balance in your account is there, is there any, if any litigations are there in your family, you will feel happy? I think no. So money will not buy happiness. Money will not at all buy happiness. Only our relationships will matters. Money buy things what you want, but the money does not buy any happiness. So we need to have such knowledge towards the things where we need to adopt. So in this parameter where we need to evolve, what abundance we need to gather in this in terms of wealth creation, wealth knowledge perspective. Why it is so? I'm talking about this in-depth thing, knowledge of wealth is for attaining of our freedom, attaining of our growth, attaining of our leadership. Why I'm calling it is as freedom. So if you want freedom in life, if you have a sufficient bank balances in our account, it will treat as a freedom. Do you think that? If you have a sufficient knowledge about wealth, you want to be involved where the particular money informations to be involved, where we can able to gathered in a particular scenarios. What are all the scenarios we need to have? That freedom is the most essential criteria in a life where we need to involve, and the growth is also more important parameter in spite of our personal growth or our professional growth or our family growth. So what we need to concentrate and why we need to evolve. So these are the major thing. And third most criteria is leadership. Why I'm calling it is a leadership. So if we showcase our leadership skills of attaining anything, whether in spite of a wealth creation, in spite of family abundance of happiness, and in terms of freedom and growth, we need to showcase ourselves. We need to have such matured levels so that you can able to attain anything. So because of only this reason, I'm calling this as a this term as a leadership. For getting any abundance in terms of wealth, in terms of finances, we need to deeply motivated ourselves and always observe that money will not buy anything, money will not do anything, but money and happiness and money gathered everything. So freedom, growth, leadership is also the most essential thing. And the second most principle is give more value than you take. Why I am calling it is a give more value than you take. You improve others' life by improving your own. Keep on learning on every day. Keep on gathering of information on every day about what you want to talk about, what you want to involve about. Whether you are a salaried person, you are working in any MNC company, or if you are a self-employed person, you want to scale your business to the next level, how you need to go and why we need to go, and what are all the aspects if I attain this good number, so that you can able to rethink our thought process and mind share. Definitely you can able to have such particular knowledge about wealth creation. So wealth is also the very much important, but in in terms of wealth, what is the most important criteria about a wealth? That is the improving our own skills. If we improve our own skills, definitely we can able to gather anything. This is the most essential second factor I'm talking about. And the third most essential principle is be courageous. So why I'm talking about courageous in the essentials of wealth? If we have a knowledge, we know what we need to do. We know where if we go to any certain place, I know I'm going to attain that position. But if you don't have a courage to do that thing, we never ever do anything. First think about ourselves, think about myself. I can do, I will do, I must do. So if you have such knowledge in our brain, if you have such courage in our heart, definitely we can able to reap anything in a life. To be self-starter and be self-responsible for everything. Whether you want to generate an income, whether you want to mingle with your family with ease, if you want to be successful in your society, if you want to be great at your company, if you want to scale your business to the next level, whatsoever the thing is there, be courageous, definitely you can able to grab anything. So that is the third most principle what I would like to say. And the fourth one is discipline. If you are a disciplined person, definitely every aspects what I told earlier will be delivered with good note. So your daily habits will make or break you success. So what rituals you want to take, what myths you want to take about a wealth, the rituals should be greater, the myths has to be involved in such a way where we can able to manage our thought process into a reality. So every day where we need to do what we need to do, why we are doing these things, to be evaluate on a daily basis on a punctual manner, so that we can able to grab anything, everything in a life. Not only in the wealth part, everything if you want to attain, everything, anything can be possible in a life. So please have a look and have a great knowledge and keep learning about the things what you want to do about a wealth. And a wealth is also most criteria part, that information has to be involved. I need to get at any cost, I want to get at any cost this particular amount, I want to be attained in the particular time frame. So this information, that particular deadline, end date, we need to be fixed so that we can able to attain anything. So only the thing is our mindset, our thought process is the matters of doing anything. If we believe, we can do everything. I would always say that we become what we think about. We become what we think about. We become what we think about. So this is the most essential principle everybody need to inculcate and have punctual in daily nature, so that everything can be possible. Hope this information is useful to you. If it is good, better to have a particular knowledge about wealth creation and the essentials of the wealth habits, where I think nobody can share these informations to anybody. Here I reveal those things. If it is useful, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like and provide your comments below in the description. If you want more like these videos, go and join my VIP Facebook channel where the skilled people are there. You can go and involve in that group and nurture your brains. And also you want have one PDF wealth file which is a worth of 2,999 rupees, which is giving free of cost for you because you are seeing this video till the end. So only because of only that reason I am giving the worth of 2,999 PDF worth. I am giving absolutely free to you. Please go and download that PDF and have a look about that particular PDF, and involve your financial status to the next level, how we need to go and why need to go and where we need to go. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.